Spraying Zinsser bin. Got some shutters to prime up. I'm just going to do a little sample, make sure everything's right. Spray these. HVLP to keep dust and overspray down, and we're not going to use a lot compared to airless. So what I'm going to do now is get a test pattern now before I start the shutters, and then I'm going to get a good idea on the settings that I want them to be on. Grab my mask in a second. I'm going to start with my air on about there. Everything's off on the gun at the minute, and we're just wound to just near the line. So I'm going to turn my air up, just less than half, paint to 3. I'm pretty happy with that to start. So I want a smaller fan, reduce that. Again, real good settings. If I wanted wider, go there. But I'm going to dial it down a little bit, about there. So there are my settings.
Afraid to drop a dime when you already dropped a dime. Got a wife at home, but you steady on my line. Talking about shorty, you remember when I grind slow? Did I really blow your mind though? Nah, you got me confused with your other booze. I've been peep game, so I never gave a cookie up. And that's why I got your wife on the line, man. And I hope she gets every single dime.